Unlocking resilience. The power of keep moving forward. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful journey of learning English. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's not just a lesson in language, but a guide for life. Keep moving forward. It's a powerful expression that embodies resilience, hope, and determination. Let's unravel its meaning and learn how to use it in our everyday conversations. Keep moving forward is a motivational phrase that encourages us to continue progressing or advancing, despite difficulties or challenges. It emphasizes the importance of not getting stuck in the past or overwhelmed by obstacles. Instead, we should focus on making progress, no matter how small those steps might be. This phrase holds significant weight in both language learning and personal development. For English learners, it's a reminder that mastery comes with persistence. Mistakes and challenges are part of the journey. In life, keep moving forward serves as a mantra during tough times, reminding us that there's always a way through our problems if we just continue to push ahead. You can use keep moving forward in various situations. Whether you're offering support to a friend facing challenges, motivating a team to continue working hard, or reminding yourself to stay focused on your goals. It's versatile and can be adapted to both formal and informal contexts, making it a valuable addition to your English vocabulary. In wrapping up, remember that keep moving forward is more than just a phrase, it's a philosophy for life. Whether you're navigating the complexities of the English language or the ups and downs of daily life, this powerful expression reminds us of the strength and resilience within us all. Keep it close to your heart, and let it guide you through your learning journey and beyond. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, keep moving forward in your English language journey and in life. See you in the next video.